Now here, this chapter is nuclei. Here we have to study about the nucleus, atomic nucleus. So, we have done the different models of the atom, which was proposed by the different scientists like Thomson, Rutherford and Bohr. So, according to Bohr, we have seen here in atom, entire mass of the atom is assumed to be concentrated at the center, which is positively charged. This is very tiny center core, and now the electrons revolve around this tiny core. So, this tiny core is considered as nucleus, and now the electrons revolve around the nucleus in different orbits, and these orbits are stable unless they jump here from one to another one. Now, the nucleus basically consists of protons and neutrons. Inside nucleus, these two particles are found here, which are contributing to the mass of the nucleus. One is the protons and neutrons. Protons are positively charged, these are positively charged, and these are here the neutral, no charge. But the masses of the proton and neutrons can be taken approximately equal, that is around 1 AMU, that is 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 27 kg. And now, in this case, whatever these protons and neutrons are there, they are bound due to the nuclear force. So, there is one terminology here before just starting the chapter in detail. First one is called atomic number. Atomic number is represented by Z. It is actually equal to the number of protons present in the atom, which are actually equal to the number of electrons present in the atom. Any atom is electrically neutral because it contains equal number of electrons and protons. So, atomic number is represented by Z, and which is equal to the number of protons in an atom. Another one is here the mass number. Mass number is represented by A, which is actually here A is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. These protons and neutrons are also referred as nucleons. So, number of nucleons in an atom is known as your mass number. So, this is about the atomic number and mass number. Now, let us see the size of the nucleus. So, in this case, size of nucleus, say here, experimentally it has been found that volume of the nucleus is directly proportional to mass number, that is 4 upon 3 pi r cube is directly proportional to A. And here A is the mass number, R is the radius. So, we can write R is equal to R naught A raised to power 1 by 3, rest everything is constant here. So, A is here actually the mass number. So, the radius of the atom or the nucleus depend on actually the mass number, where R naught is called here empirical constant and its value is given R naught is equal to 1.2 into 10 raised to power minus 15 meter. So, this is about the value of R naught.